again with another video. This time we're doing the Friedrich Kuhl. This is a 12,000 BTU air conditioner, which we're going to see the specs. Yeah, so it's a 12K, one of the biggest units in the house in size and by BTU wise. So we're going to take off the front cover by unclipping that. We'll unclip the other one. And now you can see all the specs for your unit. Down there, let's check it. It says Friedrich. It's a 12,000 BTU, model number SS12N30CA. And it also comes with its own screwdriver. And it has a carbon filter. Let's put that back up and start her up on high cool. US compressor. Let's go through the fan speeds. Low cool. It barely puts out any air, to be honest, on low cool. Let's put it, and the bearings are starting to go bad on this. Let's go to medium. High. Decent amount of air, probably what the X Star does on low. And then max, which is what we usually keep it on. And it puts out a nice bunch of air. As you can see, it has a pretty high-tech interface. If I open this again, you can see you can plug in something and control it with your smartphone. And 4 buttons, you can take off the entire cover. Yeah, so we're gonna do some temp checks. We're gonna let her run and do some temp checks. Yeah. Okay, guys, time for temp checks. And here it's about 76 degrees. Let's see what we're putting out. Put about 49, 47, 46, 45. It's about as much as I can get out of it. Yeah. So yeah. So let's put on fan only and we'll shut it down. So, fan. Compressor shuts off. And then we'll shut her down. And that's about it for the video. We'll go outside and check it out. So yeah. Okay, so here's the outside of the Friedrich Kuhl. Yeah, so this is the outside. We got the big Friedrich logo. Got an LG scroll in there. It's starting to rain. So yeah, that's basically the outside of Friedrich. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Out. What? Also, I forgot to mention, this Kuhl is starting to have bad bearings. Listen. You can hear that. Yep. Let's try turning it back on. Will it turn on? Yeah, it will.